we are going to look at this RadioMaster Pocket transmitter. This is right now the most beginner friendly transmitter for you, and you can run all the RCs, your drone, your car, your tank. So we are going to review this in this video, and we are going to connect this soccer bot using this transmitter, and also we are going to dive into the drone simulator named FPV.Skydive in the Steam. This is completely free, so let's start this video right now. Okay, so let's start with the form factor of this RadioMaster Pocket. So this is the most compact transmitter, one of the most compact. You can see, you can hold it like the gaming console, not like the normal transmitter, look very big. So the weight is 185 grams, and it has two Hall effect gimbals, and in the back you can see the holder of the gimbals and the battery holder. So these are the battery holder. You'll find two little batteries hold at the back, and it's just a little bit tough to, to hold the batteries. And in the back you will find a holder where you can connect the external module. For this we have the internal module, but you can't connect any of the external modules here. Okay, let's put it. So let's turn this RadioMaster Pocket on. Just press the power button at the center, and the transmitter is on. Okay, just press any of the buttons. So you have the display now. It's in the soccer mode because I have the soccer bot model setup, but yours will be in the pocket. So just switch to the pocket and select the model. Okay, everything connected. Now we will connect this RadioMaster Pocket with our PC or laptop. So let's connect, go to the system, and then in the ExpressLRS you will find this is the internal ExpressLRS module, but you can connect any external module using this connector. So let's just enter. Sorry, these are the games. You just go to the ExpressLRS, open, and then to connect with the FPV simulator you just need to go to the Bluetooth joystick at the bottom. Just select it. So we just entered the joystick running, then we have to just connect with our Bluetooth. You can see my Bluetooth is connected, the ExpressLRS. Now you just need to download this FPV.Skydive from your Steam account. It's free. Just install it and run this, and this will auto connect. So our simulator is open, so we have to just check if our joystick is connected or not. So you can configure your joystick calibration, centerize the sticks, and then rotate the sticks. You can see the values are changing, and then I want this to be FPV radio. So just select the FPV radio and then pack. For the first time you'll have, I think, a tutorial in this simulator. I'm just going to regular fly and then freestyle. So you can select any of the drones. So I'm selecting this one. This one is easier to fly. So just go there and just you do the freestyle. To select any of the arenas, these are locked because you have to pay for them. Stadium is quite fun to play. So let's start this. Okay, for the first time you just throttle this down, and then you're ready to go. Just fly your drone, and here you go. You can now fly this. So this gives you the actual feeling of flying an actual drone. So let's do some freestyles. Just stuffed. Okay. This drone is actually easier to control, but the other FPVs are actually tough. Okay, just go to inside a game. Okay, I think you have found how this works, but you have two other modes. You can change it in the settings, and not in the settings. Here, flight mode. Yeah, you will see acro, but you can do angle or horizon. These are easier than the acro mode. Just check it yourself using your RadioMaster Pocket. So right now I'm going to bind this RadioMaster Pocket with the soccer board. So in the soccer board you can see I have used the Beta FPV PWM micro receiver. This is the 5-channel receiver, and this is also the 5-channel receiver. This is ELRS, and this is also ELRS. So you have to be in the same version. Like for this is the version 3 point something. You just need to match the first number. Okay, so right now to connect, first check the model setup of the soccer board. So just exit the system script and then go to the soccer. So here you can see in the mixing, I have used the aileron to just roll this soccer board, and the elevator in the channel 2 to go forward and backward. So that's it. That's the very simple soccer board. So if you want a dedicated video on soccer board, just comment down in the comment section. And right now I'm going to bind this with the soccer board. So back to return. In the soccer mode, you just turn on the soccer board switch. Okay, so I have to bind this. Okay, it just binded itself automatically. If yours don't bind, you just go to ExpressLRS and then just go to the bind, and it will automatically bind this one with the ELRS receiver. So in this video, just go to the move forward, move backward, and left and right. This speed is very high. Let's just see a demo. Okay, you can see the soccer board, and the space is very congested, so I can run this very speed. So let's just see the speed. This rotates in very speedy motion. So let's go for up. So that's how you can bind your transmitter with the receiver. So I think you like this transmitter. This is very compact and budget friendly, and obviously very starting for every beginner. So if you want the buying link of this transmitter, just go to the description of the video, or in the blog I have written about this transmitter. So just go to the blog of the website Warrior. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned with this channel.